Hey everybody, Philly crypto trading. 31st of January, quick little analysis on Ethereum. As you can see here on the 4 hour time frame, excuse me, my first day with a new mouth. 4 hour time frame, guys. Notice here, nice little ascending triangle seems to be developing. Kind of put a scenario together for you. As you can see, our levels in question here again are at 1438 to 40 area, 1345 area, 1252, 1147, and 1047. So what we've got here is a nice little ascending triangle playing out here, right? 1, 2, 3 touches, 4, 5, 6. Now we found support here as well. So is this going to be our next move? We don't know. I mean, that's kind of what we're hoping for, obviously, but just want to give you an idea of our levels and notice the ascending triangle forming and the possibility of busting through that 1440. Keep in mind, we've already hit it 3 times. So that in mind on the daily time frame, again, if we bust out of here, we're probably looking at the neighborhood of maybe, say about maybe 1650 thereabouts. Now the difference here I wanted to point out, guys, is that see here, we could just go and we could form a little different triangle here. Right? We don't know what the scenario is going to be here, right? That being said, let's change the color on that. Let's get a better idea what we got going here. Okay. And also let's change that. Well, that's all right. We can work with that. Okay, so again, this, are you kidding me? Really? Bear with me, guys. Fighting with this stuff today, I'll tell you. Again, scenario could be playing out here. We don't know just yet. Get an idea. Now, if this scenario plays out, we've still got an ascending triangle going on here. The angle would change, and therefore our move up wouldn't be as great. So we don't know yet. And of course, if this one plays out, this would take a little longer to unfold. So just keep that in mind. So we don't really know yet. We're looking at both case scenarios, but that's a nice little thing to be going on. So that in mind, let's look at our Fibonacci retracements here. Notice here the 0.618 Fibonacci 1294. So we seem to have found a nice little support there, coupled with the 100-day moving average, which is kind of nice. Again, this is on the 4-hour time frame. So we're looking to see what we can do here. Now, keep in mind, we've got this wedge that we talked about before, the short-term wedge. We've fallen up out of that. Let's see if we can't get back over and above that. That's really what we're looking to do, okay? And again, that's the 4-hour time frame. But notice here, guys, keep in mind this little channel that we've talked about before that continues to form. So a couple scenarios here. We don't know how this is going to play out just yet. This is why we watch. I tell you every time. Each day is a chapter to the story. That's why we watch. So with that in mind, we got to let this thing play out. Channels, are we going to get a higher high? We got a higher low here, which is great. Will we get another higher high? Well, that's why we watch, guys. Okay? That in mind, on the daily time frame, again, you can see the channel quite clearly. Okay? So we're just looking to see how this plays out. Now, I want to keep something in mind, guys. If I've talked before about the possibility of a pivotal move with Bitcoin coming here in the next several days. If we see any selling, and Bitcoin is going to reject that 34.5 area and even the 33.7 area and fall back down, Ethereum is probably going to end up following it, right? So in the event that happens, and we say come up to this 1440 area and we fail there and we don't get through it and we move back down, well, we could really be looking down as low as the 1250 area perhaps, and maybe even a bit lower, because we just don't know how this scenario is going to play out just yet, guys. We have some ideas, but we just don't know. So we could see a similar scenario to bounce here at the 1440 and then come on down and break. We don't know yet. But again, Bitcoin being the leader, keep that in the back of your mind. So in the event that we do get some selling, okay, from Bitcoin, and a breakdown of that 30,000 even. We don't know just yet, but time will tell. 1150 area is what we're looking at, guys. Now, if that happens, that's probably going to be a pretty screaming buy. So I'd be looking at those numbers with some selling to really be able to, accumulate positions, that kind of thing. Okay. So with that in mind, guys, just a quick update for you. Again, next few days, some pivotal moves. Pay close attention. Make sure that you hit the like, share, subscribe button, and be also the notification bell so you're notified of these videos as they change. As you know, again, each day is a chapter to the story. With that in mind, guys, I hope everything's going well, and you all have a good day.